Okay, this is, okay, Jordan and Carson are doing it 3 times. I don't know what their thing is, but yeah. Okay, they're going to ring that doorbell 3 times today. Hope I don't die. Hope they don't see me. They ran. Might see me, but I don't know. This is scary. Oh, shit. I'm gonna die. Dude, she's looking my way. Sorry, that was scary, dude. Sorry about that. I have to get in a better spot. She's gone. She's gone. She came out. Dude, I couldn't get her though. I couldn't because she's looking my way. Sorry about that, folks. Read it or doing a video. That's why I said. Oh no. Oh whoa. Carson is over by that pole. If you see him, Jordan's over there somewhere. Scary, dude. This is freaky. Whoops, sorry about that. There's something on the cam. I'm glad I didn't get caught. Carson's running at me. I couldn't get it because she's looking my way. She's looking mostly your way, and then she looked my way, and then Carson's way.
No, we did it. Let's both go.
I already did it. It's your turn.
I was with
Then
you.
we'll both go on the first.
Guys, just what is on this ugly camera? No. Okay. Guys, are you going? Are you going? Jordan's bleeding. That's why he's looking at his knee. He has a bad cut. It's from these, you know what they are, roses. These little sharp things, yeah, they hurt really bad. So that Jordan could probably get an infection if he doesn't wash that cut. Because these rose bushes could have poison or something that could infect his cut. But he won't die, but okay. Shoot. Okay, ready guys?